Hey there, it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and let's take a trip to Heartbreak Hotel. This song is most famous for being performed by Elvis Presley, and it's an interesting song because it is in the 8-bar blues. We're gonna play it in the key of E, and you're going to use the chords E, A, and B7. That means if we're in the key of E, our E chord is our 1 chord, our A chord is our 4 chord, and our B7 chord is our 5/7 chord. The song is really fun to sing because it uses what we call hits on the guitar. The voice is going to lead and carry the tune. Make sure you're trying to sing along. I'll teach you how to play the first verse, and then all of the other verses just fall in and follow the exact same form. Before we start, we're gonna have to get the key of the song for our voices. So I like to play an E chord, and then I get my first note. So that means I'm gonna sing, since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. Down at the end of lonely street, Heartbreak Hotel, oh I've been. Did you get that? I came in on beat 4 and beat 1. So it's, well, since my baby left me, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Those hits are on the and of 4 and the 1. After we play those hits and the E chord, we're going to change to our A chord. This is when I like to use my barred A chord, because then my ring finger's freed up to do a little walking bass line on string 4 between fret 2 and fret 4. So that means I can do. When I get there, I'm just strumming down, up, 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 down, up. And then I go to my B7 chord, where I keep that strumming pattern going. Then back to E chord. Hit on the 1, and that brings us back around to the top of the form again. Here's how it sounds. Well, since my baby left me, I found a new place to dwell. Down at the end of lonely street, Heartbreak Hotel, well, I've been so lonely, I've been so lonely, I've been so lonely, I could die. And next verse. All right, it's a pretty simple one, so have fun giving Heartbreak Hotel a try, and I'll see you in the next lesson.